Well, good afternoon, Heavy Duty Motorcycles. I just wanted to show you this lovely Dyna that we've just returned to the customer. Like a twit, I didn't do a before photo when this bike came in, but I think the owner will agree that it was in need of a little bit of loving care, and so and it just was telling me he's actually found it difficult to find someone who would take on this sort of work. The rear fender was completely rusted at the back there, so that's been obviously stripped and repainted. Really lovely paint job. Look at you can see the quality of the paintwork just there. All of the sissy bar and fender struts and the bag supports, they've all been powder coated, and then the initial real problem was that it was leaking at the front header. But actually the customer decided to go for these new pipes, the two brothers, 2 into 1, which I think just make the whole bike come alive. And it's had some new brake lines and 1 or 2 other bits and pieces I won't bore you with. But then we took it to our valeters. I've talked about him before, old Bob, and he gave this a very, very thorough going over. It had a couple of washes, and then he was over this crinkle black finish with a toothbrush, and it's just come up absolutely beautiful. And so the customer's well pleased, and perhaps you'd like a sound, hear what this pipe sound like. Let's start it up for you. Okay, there you have it. Lovely Dyna. Had quite a bit of TLC and restoration work on it, new pipes, and it's all ready for the road. Signing off, Heavy Duty Motorcycles, Mansfield. Give us a call and let's see what we can do for your bike. Bye bye.